Got this attic system up on this platform. The puck was tripped. See if I can show that to you. We got water in the drain pan. So I'm gonna figure out why we got water in the drain pan. All right, drain line comes out, goes down here, comes across. See, it comes there, followed it through the insulation with a trap right there tied into a main drain. Thought maybe it went outside, but it doesn't go outside. So I'm gonna make sure the drain line's clear. And then I gotta see if that air handler is tipped whatever direction it needs to be. And as long as it's pitched the right way and the drain line's clear, the only other thing it could be is maybe possibly freezing up. So we'll have to check the charge when we're done. I'm in here all by myself. Out of respect for who may ever be laying in rest, I won't show them on camera, but that's where I'm at, doing a no cool. Yay. All right. Try to show you. I pitched the drain down a little bit because it was sticking up, so water had to fill the pan before it made it down that drain. And then I pitched all of this drain line all the way to that elbow. Looks funny in the camera, but that's downhill all the way. And then it's downhill across there to where I did the clean out. So it's all downhill now. And Trane Hyperion air handlers are positive pressure, so you technically don't even need a trap. It'll just push water out. So I think we've solved that problem. Still gonna go check the refrigerant levels, but I've put my hand up here on the main line, and it does not feels about, beer can cold, so it should be fine. Oh, that's a dirty condenser coil. Yeah, that's pretty dirty. Definitely gonna recommend a cleaning on that. Anybody want to play hide and go seek? So that wraps up this one. Just a clogged drain line up there in the attic of a funeral home. There all by myself, been there a few times, even walked into the room where they embalm people, which kind of freaked me out. But, kind of goes with the territory. Hope you enjoyed the content. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. It really helps me out. See you on the next one.